Starting around 23 January 2024, Bitcoin SV most certainly is exchanging at $70.71 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.42% in every way that really matters, most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. BSV essentially has an especially all-out market cap of $1,386,959,979, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $113,976,475 in an unobtrusive manner. This especially makes Bitcoin SV, BSV, really positioning at 47 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Bitcoin SV cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitcoin SV be truly worth in 2024 in an extremely enormous manner? Is Bitcoin SV a sort of wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2024, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? Will BSV cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking high, which essentially is genuinely huge? These in every way that really matters are our Bitcoin SV cost expectations for BSV'(S) future in a significant manner. Bitcoin SV, BSV, value expectation 2024, as per the Bitcoin SV estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the BSV cost fundamentally is supposed to cross a normal value level of $108.67, the normal sort of least value worth of Bitcoin SV, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to be $105.71, or so they especially thought. Besides, BSV can, all things considered, arrive at a really most extreme value level of $126.41 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin SV, BSV, value conjecture January 2024. For January 2024, the cost of Bitcoin SV in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of $77.77, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $80 and a very least of $71.11 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. BSV value estimate February 2024. With respect to February 2024, Bitcoin SV generally is supposed to for the most part arrive at a sort of least value worth of $77.92 in an unpretentious manner. The BSV cost could generally arrive at an especially greatest cost of $83.89, with the really normal cost around $80.89 in an unpretentious manner. BSV value gauge walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Bitcoin SV is supposed to in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of least value worth of $81.16. The BSV cost could arrive at a most extreme cost of $87.12, with the very normal cost around $84.12. Bitcoin SV value conjecture April 2024. The kind of normal cost of Bitcoin SV, BSV, could in a real sense go to $86.64 toward the finish of April 2024, or so they fundamentally thought. BSV could by and large be exchanging around an essentially most extreme worth of $91.33, with the exceptionally least expected cost of $82.94, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin SV value expectation May 2024. Bitcoin SV value sort of is supposed to really reach between $85.41 to $94.79 in May 2024, while the typical cost of BSV for the May especially remains around $88.38. BSV value gauge June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Bitcoin SV by and large is supposed to arrive at an especially least value worth of $87.18 in an unobtrusive manner. The BSV cost could arrive at a greatest cost of $99.21, with the by and large normal cost around $90.14, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin SV value expectation July 2024. Bitcoin SV cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially reach between $89.15 to $102.82 in July 2024, while the genuinely normal cost of BSV for the July explicitly remains around $92.85. BSV value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Bitcoin SV really is determined to, in every practical sense, be at around a base worth of $92.67. The Bitcoin SV value worth can sort of arrive at a by and large limit of $107.46, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $95.63 in United States dollars. Bitcoin SV, BSV, value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Bitcoin SV cost in every way that really matters is estimate to arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of $93.84. The BSV cost could really arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $111.29, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $97.55, which is genuinely critical. BSV value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Bitcoin SV explicitly is determined to sort of be at around a base worth of $97.51 in a sort of significant manner. The Bitcoin SV value worth can basically arrive at a limit of $116.16, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $100.47 in United States dollars amazingly. Bitcoin SV value conjecture November 2024, the normal cost of Bitcoin SV, BSV, could go to $104.49 toward the finish of November 2024 in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. BSV could explicitly be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of $121.19, with the especially least expected cost of $100.79. Bitcoin SV, BSV, value conjecture December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Bitcoin SV generally is basically anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a sort of typical cost of $108.67, while the coin could exchange between in every practical sense, limit of $126.41 and a very least of $105.71 in a sort of huge manner. Bitcoin SV exceptionally passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been really diminished by 0.61% in its genuinely current worth in a fundamentally huge manner. Assuming we basically analyze the really current market cap of the BSV with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is additionally down, exhibiting how Bitcoin SV certainly passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been in a real sense diminished by 0.61% in its ongoing worth. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin SV sort of is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, which truly shows that starting around 23 January 2024, Bitcoin SV in every practical sense is exchanging at $70.71 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.42% in sort of most recent 60 minutes. Which explicitly is genuinely critical. The BSV especially is down to nearly 14.64% over the most recent 7 days in an essentially significant manner. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for extremely past lovely few days. The coin could